Hello, 5th grade trumpets! Today we are going to be playing the amazing Rock-A-Saurus Rex! Rock-A-Saurus Rex is one of my very favorite songs of 5th grade band. And this video is for the first trumpets. If in the upper left side of your music it says first B-flat trumpet, you are on the right video. If you're looking for the second B-flat trumpet video, you should be able to find it right below. All right. So, what do we have to learn before we can play this? Well, first, we have an E flat in the first measure you play. E flat is played 2 and 3. We know E natural, or regular E, or you might say just E. E natural is played 1 and 2. That's the note from our first 5 notes in our scale. When we make it a flat, we go from 1, 2 to 2, 3. E flat should be slightly lower than E. And so in our first measure, we have C, 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 E flat, C. The E flat goes through the whole measure. It doesn't go C, 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 E flat, E. Even though there's only a flat in front of the first one, a flat lasts for the whole measure instead of just the one note. So since it's in the same measure, in the same bar line, it'll last the whole time. And then you also have, at measure 21, we go A, B, and it's just regular B, second valve B. Make sure we're not confusing that for a B flat, which is first valve. In this case, we want the regular B natural. And then lastly, in measure 29, we have what's called a call and response. And the call is done by the woodwinds. And so all the brass rests for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then we all come in with the same rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4, whole note, 4 counts off. All right. That should get us all the way to measure 45. I'm going to set my metronome for 100 beats a minute. That means it says 100 right on there. And we're going to play from the beginning to 45 of Rock-A-Saurus Rex. We're actually going to start at measure 13 because we don't need to count all those rests. So here we go. 1, 2, and measure 13. Ready? Rest 2 and 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Rest 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 4. 37, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. This next part's a little different. 2, 2, ready? And I stopped right on that first note of measure 45. It's important that you look ahead in your music. You heard me say in that last 2 measure rest, this next one is different because we're repeating that same pattern, G, 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 A, A, G. We do it again, G, 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 A, A, G. We do it again, G, 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 A, A, G. Then the pattern changes, G, F, F, E, E, D, C. So make sure you're looking ahead so you didn't get caught by surprise on that. All right, trumpets, good luck and happy practicing!